eNable Lowell is an interdisciplinary student-run volunteer organization here at UMass Lowell. We use 3D printing technology to design, create, and deliver assistive devices to recipients at no cost to the family.
After doing a bunch of research about what eNable is and how people have executed it elsewhere, I decided that this is something I should bring to UMass Lowell. So I got a bunch of students together from a variety of disciplines, some biology majors, some health sciences, some engineers, and formed a student chapter or a club on campus for eNable. And we realized we need some funds to be able to start doing our work. This is where DifferenceMaker came in.
They had different professionals with their own entrepreneurship experience, and we were able to learn from them and kind of really drive what our model should be for this organization.
We then, for the next year, worked with a bunch of local recipients, recruited many students from UMass Lowell to work on the project, and it was an excellent learning experience.
We've been able to redirect our focus in the last couple of years to focus on more task-specific devices.
We take great effort in customizing each task-specific device to the personalities and interests of each recipient so that each recipient is comfortable and confident in putting it on each day.
All of this work is totally worth it when you're able to deliver a device that you designed to a person who's able to benefit from all of your hard work.
Parents are always in tears, mama's crying. It's an exciting time for them.
It can be a lot of work, but it is worth it in the end. It's been a pretty cool thing to watch happen.